Ever since I was a little girl, music has been my first love. And I was really fortunate that I was able to fulfill my dreams at an early age. In my 10 years in the music industry, I have made a total of 10 studio albums, and that includes my latest album, entitled Expressions. Masasabi ko na super special ang album na ito kasi it contains the first song that I wrote. Nandito ako sa Admiration Studios para sa recording ko ng aking upcoming album. Abangan niyo po yan. Ito yung first day na recording po namin, so excited ako! Tara-da!
Well, today is the first recording day of Sarah para sa kanyang susunod na album.
The title of my latest album is Expressions. Expressions kasi parang this time na mas hands-on na ako, mas involved na ako sa selection pa lang ng mga songs. Parang in a way, ito yung expression ko ng expression ng puso ko. Kasi parang bawat song related sa akin. Kumbaga meron ako naaalala sa bawat song na na-include sa album. Ikaw ang lahat sa buhay ko. The song, pati ang pangarap ko, written by Tito kay Amanda. Nandun din siya when I recorded the song. Gandang OPM love song. OPM love song. Very catchy, at saka simple ng melody, pero punong-puno ng pagmamahal yung words, yung lyrics. So, sana maraming makarelate at makagusto. Sa buhay ko at sa puso ko ito.
Well, the song kasi challenges her range. No, it starts out low, tapos she ends up medyo bumibirit siya sa end. So it challenges her range, it challenges her being able to act out the song. Kasi nga, yung umpisa, very soft. I guess, magandang umpisa kasi, kumbaga parang binulaga siya agad na hindi lang madaling kanta, ano. As expected, may konting hard start kasi yung first, may mga expectations na gusto mo magandang-maganda, maraming mga expectations. So, you try to give your best. Pag umpisa pa lang, hindi mo alam kung may pupuntahan pa ba, may ganun. So, doon kami natagalan ng konti lang. When you reach hanggang wakas, there's a slight not slight, but a brighter feel to it. Kasi when you're thinking until the very end, okay lang. Hanggang wakas. It's parang okay lang. Parang lang mas gumaan siya. Although, medyo matagal kami sa umpisa, nung medyo tumuloy-tuloy na rin kami, pabilis na.
Actually, nung masabi sa akin ni Miss Baby Hill na gagawa ng album si Sarah, and naisip ko, gusto kong gumawa ng kanta para sa kanya. Just thinking about Sarah. Alam mo ba yung sweet, napaka-sweet niya. Ang daling gumawa ng kanta eh. And yung actually, yung song, nung ginagawa ko siya, talaga si Sarah yung iniisip ko. And pinipicture ko siya na sinusulat ko parang yung kanta, kinakanta na niya yan. Sabi ko, ito talaga Sarah Geronimo ito.
We just finished our first recording session for my upcoming album. Ito pong first song na na-record ko is entitled Pati Ang Pangarap Ko, written by Mr. Tito C. Kayamanda. Kasama namin po siya na nag-record kanina. So, yun guys.